Good morning, student. How are you today? Today, we are going to discuss about the secular music of the medieval period. Secular music is in the form of songs, also existed during the medieval period despite of dominance of Gregorian chants of the Roman Catholic Church. Records of history revealed that secular songs flourished particularly in France and Germany during this period. Secular music means being separated or unassociated with a church or religion. Secular music in the Middle Ages was influenced by the swaying authority that focused more on the law or legal system of the society. Secular music included love songs that used musical instruments such as harp, drums, and bagpipes. Characteristics of secular songs. Secular songs have the following distinguishing traits and some comparisons with the Gregorian chants. Secular songs are written in monophonic texture with only one melodic line notation like the chants. Secular songs employ more topics on themes than plain song. Usually, secular songs use the traditional church modes, but there are also instances when Ionian mode or the major mode and Alien mode or the minor mode are employed. Native languages are applied in creating secular songs, unlike the Latin of the Gregorian chants. Generally, secular songs are syllabic. Unlike the free-flowing rhythm of Gregorian chants, secular songs are mostly in triple meter. Secular songs in France. In France, the medieval secular songs are written by poet musicians called troubadours and troubadours. They are educated and cultured men from the nobility class residing in the feudal courts. Poetry made by these poet musicians is divided into the following categories. First, Plan is a lament on the death of a distinguished person. Chanson de Trois is a spinning song. Pastourelle is a song in dialogue form between the knight and the shepherdess. Chanson de Geste is a narrative poetry with extraordinary character. Chanzo is a poem of love. Danzo is a poem in the form of a dialogue. Servants and Inuig are poems that use sarcasm in exposing follies. Ode is a song about a friend watching over lovers. And for your activity, answer the following question. How does secular music of medieval period differ from the Gregorian chants? Write it in your notebook and submit your answer to your teacher.